Joanna Agustin and Lucita Cunanan. Josel Javier, our choreographer. Carla Limio and Leo, stage designer. Kagawad Reggie David, our official photographer. Our barangay workers and barangay volunteers. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us now welcome our candidates for the Little Queen and Kings of Margot 2025 in their evening gown and formal wear competition. Let us have Alden Harry Cunanan, Little King, number 1. Number 2 is Lawrence Atlas Juan. Little King 3 is Jacob Pineda. Little King number 4, Mark Joshua Coronel. Number 5 is Calix James Derrick. Little King number 6 is Mark Joseph Valencia. Number 7 is Juan Kale Manara. Little King 8 is Rovi Magsino. To begin the evening gown competition, let us welcome our little queen number 1, Shreya Avery Pedreño. Ashley May Ora, Little Queen 2. Eliza Joy Medina, Little Queen 3. Curie Amira Maliardi, Little Queen 4. Let us welcome Little Queen 5, Zoe Plain Magdarao. Number 6, Amber Era Cruz. Let us make way for Little Queen 7, Sophia Rose Nabo. Atara May Paras, Little Queen 8. Let us move on with our little queen, number 9, Aliana Sophia Casa. Number 10, Jasmine Gonzalez. Little Queen 11, and Korea Manala. Number 12, Cindy Jenner Alimuno. Is Mira Suzanne Marquez. And lastly, let us welcome Little Queen 14, Celestine Victoria Hope Carson. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That ends the formal wear and evening gown competition for the Little Kings and Queens of Margot 2025. Next on the program, we shall be having the question and answer portion. Mga kaibigan, mga kabarangay, ang question and answer portion po ay ang isa sa mga pinaka-importanteng parte ng ating pong kompetisyon ngayong gabi. So it is very important na marinig ng maayos at maintindihan ng maayos ng ating mga hurado ang lahat ng mga isasagot ng ating mga kandidata ngayong gabi. So pinakikiusapan po namin ang lahat na habang sumasagot po ang ating mga kandidata sa kanilang mga napiling katanungan, maari po lamang ay wala munang papalakpak, sisigaw o hihiyaw o anumang makakapagtanggal o makakawala sa kanila pong konsentrasyon habang sumasagot sa kanilang mga napiling katanungan. So ang gagawin po natin ay magfa-flash po tayo ng mga numbers sa ating screen. Kindly flash the numbers, please. Paki-flash po yung numbers. Thank you very much, Kagawad Shine, na napakagaling talagang organizer. Palakpakan naman po natin si Kagawad Shine.
Hello.
Oo, sige, diyan ka muna. So ang gagawin po natin, ifa-flash po natin yung mga numbers sa ating screen. Pipili po ng numero ang ating mga kandidata at meron po itong kaakibat na mga tanong. Ang mga tanong po natin ay English, pero itatranslate ko po ito into Filipino ng 2 beses. Okay? Sige. Kagawad Shine, are you ready? Okay. Dahil may upuan, uupo po ako. Alam naman natin, marami tayong candidates ngayong gabi. Okay. Thank you very much sa ating official sounds and lights. We have Ison Lights and Sounds. Maraming salamat. To DJ Dave, ang aking spinner ngayong gabi. Thank you. Oo. Kaya po ba ngayong gabi yan? So habang hinihintay po natin, Kagawad Shine, let me take this opportunity to invite everyone. Magkita-kita po tayo sa June 13, araw ng Biyernes ba yun? Ayan, araw ng Biyernes, magkita-kita po tayo for the Grand Coronation Night ng Mutya at Ginoong Margot 2025. Ayan. Bukas po, Battle of the Queens, inaanyayahan din po namin kayong manood. Ayan. Okay. Pakibilisan po, board na yung candidate number 1. Hello, candidate number 1. Ano po name mo?
Alden.
Alden. Ayan. Alden, asan yung mga supporters ni Alden? O mag-hi ka sa mga supporters mo. Ano gusto mo sabihin? You want to say thank you?
Thank you.
Wow. Asan yung mami at saka ni daddy ni Alden? Taas kamay. Wala dyan? Ayun. Si Lola. Nasaan si Lola ni Alden? Ayun. Relax na si Lola dun. You want to say thank you to your Lola?
Opo.
Okay. Alden, pili ka ng number from 1 to 15. Ayun, baby, oh. Tingin ka sa screen. Oh. Pili ka ng isang number.
1.
Number 1. Dahil number 1 si Alden, number 1 ang question niya. Naglalaro ka ba?
Opo.
Ang tanong, ano daw yung pinaka-paborito mong laruin?
Champon po.
Ha?
Champon.
Cellphone. Bakit cellphone?
Kasi po, ano, lalo akong Roblox.
Laro siya ng Roblox. Thank you very much, Alden. Palakpakan po natin. Candidate number 1. Ayan. Ulitin ko po bago po natin tawagin si candidate number 2 ha. Habang sumasagot yung mga bata, wala po munang sisigaw. Pakiusap po. Thank you. Okay. Ano pangalan ni candidate number 2? Ano pangalan mo?
Pem-pem.
Pem. Nasaan yung mga supporters ni number 2? Oh, mag-hi ka sa kanila. Hi.
Hi.
Cute. Okay. Number 2, pili ka na ng number. Pili ka ng isa. Ayun, tingin ka doon. F5.
Number 2.
Parang alam ko na yung kapupuntahan nito. Number 2. F5. Ano daw yung pinakagusto mong animal?
Dog.
Bakit dog?
Kasi breast friend kami.
Oh! Best friend kayo ng dog? May dog ba kayo sa house? May dog kayo sa bahay?
Ha?
May dog kayo sa bahay?
Wala pa.
Wala. Pero best friend kayo ng dog?
Apa.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. Let's welcome candidate number 3. Yay! Ano ang pangalan ni candidate number 3?
Jacob po.
Jacob. Ilang taon na si Jacob?
7.
7. Nasaan yung mga supporters ni Jacob? O, mag-hi ka sa kanila. Hi! Sabi mo, hi, fans!
Hi, fans.
Jacob, tingin ka sa screen. Pili ka ng isang number.
3.
Number 3. Question number 3. Ano yung pinakagusto mong i-drawing or i-color?
Bundok.
Bakit bundok?
Kasi po, maganda po doon.
Maganda sa bundok. Nakapunta ka na sa bundok? Ano ang color ng bundok?
Green.
Green! Thank you very much, candidate number 3. Thank you, Jacob. Ayan. Let's now call on Little King number 4. Hello, candidate number 4. Ano po pangalan mo?
MJ po.
MJ. Ilang taon na si MJ?
6.
6. Nag-i-school na ba si MJ?
Opo.
Saan ka nag-school?
Ano po, sa ano?
Sige. O, asan yung mga supporters ni MJ? Ayun. O, mag-hi ka muna sa kanila. Hi. MJ, ready ka na? O,
Opo.
sige. Pili ka ng isang number. Dun sa
5.
screen. Ha?
5.
5. Okay, lumampas tayo. Di ba nag-i-school ka na?
Papa.
Ano yung pinaka-favorite mong snack?
Pancake and egg.
Wow, pancake and egg. Bakit pancake and egg?
Because it's yummy.
Because it's yummy and it's...
Very yummy.
Thank you very much, candidate number 4. Tama nga naman. It's yummy and it's very... Thank you. Number 5. Hi, candidate number 5. What's your name?
Alex J. Sardiret.
Calix. How old are you?
6 years old po.
Do you go to school?
Yes po.
Where?
And there.
Okay. Oh, may school. Okay. Nasaan yung mga supporters ni number 5? Ayan. What do you want to say something to them? Do you want to say thank you? Okay. All right. Calix, pick a number. Pili ka ng isang number.
Number 15.
Number 15. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, Pa.
Okay. What do you love to eat for breakfast?
Oat milk. Because oat milk makes you stronger. And also it makes you healthy diet. And also, they also make you strong. And thank you, Pa.
Oatmeal. Thank you. Pandesal ko mo, oatmeal nga na kayo. Thank you very much, Calix. Ayan, let's move on with Little King number 6. Yan. Hello, candidate number 6. Ano ang name mo?
Margot Valencia.
How old are you?
6.
6. Do you go to school already? Nag-school ka na? Saan ka nag-school? Basta nag-school ka. Asan yung mga supporters ni candidate number 6? Nandyan ba? O, palakpakan natin si number 6, everyone. Yan. Okay? Go ahead and pick a number. Pili ka ng isa.
10.
Number?
10.
Number 10. Okay. Ano ang favorite color mo?
Blue.
Blue. Bakit blue? Kasi?
Kasi
Kasi bakit?
magandang blue.
Maganda ang blue. Okay na yun. Palakpakan po natin, candidate number 6. Oo nga naman. Maganda nga naman ang color blue. Okay, let's move on with candidate number 7. Hi, candidate number 7. Ano name mo?
Uno.
Uno. How old is Uno?
6.
6 years old. Do you go to school already? Where?
Taekwondo Elementary School.
Taekwondo Elementary School. O, nasa na mga supporters ni Uno? Are you ready? Sige, Uno, you pick a number. Pili ka ng one number from the screen. Ayun. What number do you like?
6.
Number 6. Question number 6. What is your favorite holiday? And why?
Christmas.
Why Christmas?
First, so I can open gifts. Second, so I can give other gifts to other people. And last, I can spend time with my family and friends and cousins.
Thank you, Uno. That's candidate number 7. And lastly, let us have Little King number 8. Hi, candidate number 8. What's your name? Ano name mo?
My name is Robert M. Magsino.
Ravi. How old is Ravi?
I'm 7 years
7
old.
years old. Do you go to school already?
Yes.
Where?
Taekwondo Elementary School.
Kabongga ka rin taekwondo. Maka-English speaking lang ang anak yung taekwondo elementary school. Okay. Are you ready to pick a question?
I'm ready.
Okay. Go ahead and pick one.
I want
You want what? Number?
9.
Number 9. And your question is, do you watch TV?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is your favorite TV show or cartoons?
My favorite cartoon is Ben 10. Why? Because Ben 10 can save the world from evil.
Wow. We're good? Thank you. Palakpakan po natin. That is candidate number 8. So let us call on our little queen, number 1. Ayan na. So ganun pa rin po yung gagawin natin, ha? Ayan.
Ano daw? Anong gusto niya? Sige, mamaya na, ganun na. Wait mo ako na, yung number 2 muna.
Ayan.
na.
Naririnig po natin yung nangyayari sa likod, mga kaibigan, ha? At least hindi ko na kailangang explain sa inyo kung ano yung nangyayari.
Number 2.
Okay. Number 2 daw po? Oo po. Okay. Number 2 daw po. Judges, we will proceed with number 2. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin candidate number 2, everyone. Hello, candidate number 2. Ano name mo?
Ashley Mayora.
Ashley. Ayan, Ashley, ilang taon na ikaw? How old are you na?
5 years old.
5 years old. Okay, Ashley, are you ready?
Yes po.
Okay, Ashley, pili ka ng one number from the screen. Anong number you like?
2.
Number 2. Siyempre, number 2 siya. Ang question mo, Ashley, is...
Tagalog.
Tagalog. Eto nga po. Okay na. Kung makakatira ka sa kahit saang lugar sa buong mundo,
Sa bundok.
bakit po sa
Kasi
bundok?
tahimik po doon.
Gusto mo sa bundok kasi tahimik sa bundok. Tama?
Opo.
Meron pa?
Wala na po.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 2. Oo nga naman, no? Tahimik sa bundok. Okay. Let us now have candidate number 3. Judges number 3. Hello, candidate number 3. Ano po ang name mo? What's your name?
Elisa Joy.
Alaysa Joy. Ayan. Nasaan yung mga supporters ni number 3? Ayun. Are you ready?
Yes.
Sige po, go ahead and pick a question or a number dun sa screen. Ano gusto mong number? 3. Ano daw yung favorite holiday mo? Tsaka bakit? What is your favorite holiday? Anong holiday daw yung gusto mo at saka bakit?
Christmas.
Bakit naman po Christmas?
Kasi po, maganda po.
Maganda. Tapos,
Happy gifts.
madami gifts.
Opo.
Maganda tapos madaming gifts.
Opo.
Yun lang?
Opo.
Thank you. Number 3. All right, let us now have Little Queen number 4. Hello po, candidate number 4. Ano po ang name ni candidate number 4?
Fury po.
Fury. Ilan taon na si Fury?
7 years old.
7. Nag-school na ikaw?
Opo.
Anong grade ka na?
3.
Grade 3. Saan?
Sa Condo Elementary School.
Wow. Okay, Fury, are you ready to answer the question na?
Yes.
Sige po, pili ka ng number. Anong number ang gusto mo?
4.
Number 4. And your question is... What has been your greatest accomplishment? Ano daw yung pinakamalaking tagumpay, pinakamagandang tagumpay na iyong nakamit? Ha? Ano daw yung pinakamalaki o pinakamagandang tagumpay na nakuha mo or nakamit mo? Greatest accomplishment.
Wala po.
Ha? Wala. Nag-school ka ba, baby? Anong grade ka na? Grade 3, no? Ayan. So, last year, nung yung grade 2 ka, may award ka ba na nakuha? May award ka ba na nakuha nung grade 1 ka or nung grade 2 ka?
Yes.
Ano po yung award na yon?
Pagsusulat po.
Wow! So, best in writing ka. So, si Fury magaling magsulat.
Opo.
Maganda yung sulat ni Fury.
Opo.
So, yun, palagay mo, yun yung pinakamalaking accomplishment mo o malaking karangalan na nakuha mo, na natutunan mo sa school?
Opo.
Thank you very much, Fury. That's candidate number 4. All right, let's welcome little queen number 5. Hello, candidate number 5.
Hello po.
Ano po ang name mo?
Zoe Klein po.
Nasaan yung mga supporters si Zoe? Ang dami naman. Sino-sino yung mga yan? Sino-sino sila?
Yung tito ko po, tapos tita ko.
Oh. Ilang taon na si Zoe?
8 years old
8 years
po.
old. So, Zoe, ready ka na?
Opo.
Sige, pili ka ng number. Anong number ang gusto mo?
5.
Question number 5. Parang pahirap ng pahirap ang mga question, ha? If you could support one charity, what would it be? Kung makakapagbigay ka ng tulong, makakapagbigay ka ng suporta sa isang grupo or organisasyon, ano ang grupo na to at bakit?
Kung may susuportahan po akong charity, ay ito ang mga lolo at lola dahil kailangan din nila ng tirahan, pagkain at pagmamahal. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Number 5. Let us now have candidate number 6. Supporters in number 6, nasaan? Number 6, here's your microphone. Anong pangalan ni number 6?
Amber po.
Amber, ilang taon na ikaw?
8 po.
8 years old. Nag-school ka?
Opo.
Saan po?
Sa Malabanyas po.
Malabanyas. Anong grade na ikaw?
Mag-grade 4 po.
Grade 4. Ready ka nang sumagot ng question?
Opo.
Sige, pili ka ng isang number.
6 po.
Question number 6. Nagbabasa ka ng libro?
Opo.
Ano daw yung paborito mong libro at saka bakit?
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for that wonderful question. If my favorite book is the Bible, because it teaches us about God and our Heavenly Father, and I thank you.
Thank you very much. Number 6. Let's move on with candidate number 7. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang po. Baka po madapa. Yan. Sige. Hello, candidate number 7. Ano pangalan mo?
Sophia.
Ha?
Sophia.
Sophia. How old are you?
6.
6 years old. Do you go to school? Saan
Yes.
po? Where?
To a Montessori school.
Oh, English. Okay, are you ready to answer?
Yes.
Sige, go ahead and pick a number. What number do you like? What number do you like?
Number 9.
Number 9. Sophia, what is your favorite thing to do in summer?
In the beach.
Why?
There's a pool and you can make a castle.
Wow. So you're going to play in the sand on the beach.
Yes.
What else?
And then you forget the sunscreen.
Oh, so you need to put on sunscreen. Okay. Kagawad ha, you need to put on sunscreen. Thank you very much, Sophia. Ayan. So ang favorite po niyang gawin every summer is mag-swimming sa beach. Ayan. Number 8. Hello. What's your name?
Atara.
Atara. Ilang taon na ikaw?
7.
7. Nag-school ka na? Hindi pa. Okay. Ready ka na? Pili ka na ng number, Atara, doon sa screen. Pili ka ng isang number. Anong number ang gusto mo? Number 8. Kung magbabakasyon ka daw, saan mo gustong magbakasyon? Ulitin ko. Kung magbabakasyon ka daw, saan mo gustong magbakasyon?
Kahit saan po.
Kahit saan. Bakit kahit saan?
Basta po, kasama ko yung family ko.
So kahit saan, basta kasama yung family. Thank you. Number 8. Galing. Number 9. Dahan-dahan. O, nasa mga supporters si number 9. Madami din dalang supporters ito eh. Hi, candidate number 9. What's your name?
Aliana.
Aliana. Ilang taon na si Aliana?
7.
7. Nag-school na ba ikaw?
Opo.
Saan po?
Taekwondo Elementary School.
Wow. Anong grade na ikaw?
Magiging 2 na.
Oh, mag-grade 2 na ikaw. Okay. Aliana, anong number ang gusto mo? Pili ka ng isa.
12.
Number 12. Ano daw yung pinaka-paborito mong ginagawa kasama ang family mo?
Pumunta sa, church. At saka, pupunta sa favorite fast food ko na Jollibee.
Wow! Thank you very much, candidate number 9. May sasabihin ka pa? Wala na?
Lap.
Wala na. Thank you. Ayan ha. Go to church daw together with family. Next is number 10. Ang name ni number 10 ay
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Ilang taon na po si number 10?
8.
8 years old. Nag-school na ikaw?
Opo.
Saan po?
Holy Family.
Holy Family. Okay, Jasmine. Pili ka na ng isang number.
11.
Number 11. Kung meron ka daw $1 million, dami nun, no? Kung meron ka daw $1 million, saan mo daw ito gagastusin or ano yung bibilhin mo?
If I had $100 million, I will I will save it for my future and do some charity. And I thank you.
Thank you very much. That's Jasmine. Maraming salamat. Next is Little Queen 11. Hello, number 11.
Hello po.
What's your name?
Kareya po.
Kareya, how old are you?
8 years old
8 years
po.
old. Nag-school ka na?
Opo.
Saan po?
Taekwondo po.
Wow, anong grade?
3.
Grade 3. Ready na ikaw?
Opo.
Sige, pili ka ng number. Anong number ang gusto mo?
1.
Question number 1. Ano daw ang gusto mong maging paglaki mo?
I want to be a teacher para po matulungan ko po ang mga bata na makapagsulat at makapagbilang at makapagbasa.
Meron pa?
Apo.
Ano pa?
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, candidate number 11. Ayan. Alright, isunod na po natin si number 12. Hello, candidate number 12. What's your name?
Cindy po.
Please hold the microphone. Ano name mo?
Cindy.
Cindy. Ilan taon na si Cindy?
6 years
6 years old. Nag-school na ikaw?
Opo.
Saan po?
Sa Taekwondo Elementary School.
Anong grade na?
2.
Grade 2. Okay. Cindy, ready na? Ready ka na?
Opo.
Sige, pili ka ng number. Anong number ang gusto mo? Ayan, doon sa screen. Pili ka dyan.
10.
Number 10. Question number 10. Di ba, grade 2 ka na ba? Mag-grade 2 na ikaw? Ano daw yung favorite mong subject sa school? Tapos, bakit?
Math.
Math. Bakit math?
Natututo ako bilang. Mag-solve ng problema. And I thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 12. Isunod na po natin si Little Queen 13. Number 13. Hello po. Ano po ang name ni number 13?
Mira.
Ha?
Mira.
Mira. Ilang taon na si Mira?
7.
7. Nag-school na po ikaw?
Opo.
Anong grade na ikaw?
2.
Grade 2. Okay. Mira, pili ka na ng number. Anong number ang gusto mo doon?
13.
Ha?
13 po.
Number 13. And your question is, ano yung mga nagustuhan mo? Or ano yung mga gusto mo tungkol sa mga ganitong pageant, ganitong contest?
Tagalog yun?
Yes. Ano yung gusto mo sa mga ganitong pagandahan?
Magandaan.
Mm-mm.
Miss. Si Binimi. Ha?
Ano daw yung gusto mo? Oh, English. English ang kaya po ay nina po. Paki-flash po ulit yung question. What do you like the most about beauty pageants? Or or pageants or contests like this?
Beauty.
Opo. Ayan o. What do you like most about pageants?
What I like most about pageant? To make me happy. I want to give my mom and dad.
Ha?
I want
You repeat it. Sige nga, you repeat your answer.
to make them proud.
To make your parents proud. To make your mommy and daddy proud. Okay, thank you, Mira. Okay, last, let us call on number 14. Hi, candidate number 14. What's your name?
Celestine.
Celestine, how old are you?
8 years old.
Nag-school na ikaw?
Yes.
Saan po?
Livingstone International School.
Anong grade?
2.
Grade 2. Okay. Celestine, pili ka ng question or pili ka ng number. What number do you like?
7.
Number 7. And your question is, what is your favorite thing to do in your spare time?
Thank you for that question. And good evening, everyone. What I like to do in my spare time is to read because reading or learning is still important in our lives because it's always going to be used even after you graduate your school. And thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 14. And that ends our question and answer portion. Barangay Margot, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga kandidata ngayong gabi. Hindi po madali ha. Hindi po simple, hindi madali ang sumagot ng mga napakahirap na mga katanungan sa napakaraming tao. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin ulit sila. So at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome on stage our reigning Little Miss Margot, Miss Denise Antoinette Aquino.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Denise Antoinette Aquino, ang inyong Little Miss Margot 2023. Natutuwa po ako na muling nakatungtong sa stage na to at nagpapasalamat din po ako sa Diyos Ama at sa aking mga magulang at sa aking mga kapatid at sa aking mga lolo at lola. at sa aking tito at tita, at sa aking mga pinsan at sa mga taong naniwala sa aking kakayahan. Salamat din po sa Barangay Council at kay Kuya SK Denver Bangit at sa handler ko na si Ate Atasha Badoy. At siyempre sa mga bashers ko tsaka sa mga marites dyan, hindi din po ako nakaligtas dyan. Narinig ko po na dapat daw po hindi daw po ako nanalo dahil daw po mataba at madami daw pong sugat sa katawan at malaki ang tiyan. At least po maganda ako. Muli ito po si Denise Antoinette Aquino. Nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan, Chubby is the new sexy. And I thank you!
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that is Denise Antoinette Aquino, our little Miss Margot 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, let us welcome on stage to invite us all in the highlights of the Fiestang Margot 2025, the candidates for the Ginoo at Mutya ning Margot 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Margot, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kandidata for the Ginoo at Mutya ning Margot 2025.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Inaanyayahan ko po kayo na manood sa aming coronation night ng Mutya at Ginoo ning Barangay Margot 2025. Nagaganapin po sa June 13, 8 p.m. onwards, dito po mismo sa Margot Covered Court.
Hello and good evening everyone. Nag-enjoy ba ang lahat? I am Hannah Rain Lim and I'm honored to invite you all in the June 13, 2025, the Grand Coronation for Mutya at Ginoo ning Margot 2025. I hope to see you all there with love and support. Thank you and good evening.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Muli mga kaibigan, inaanihan po namin ang lahat na suportahan ng mga kandidata ng Ginoo at Mutya ning Margot 2025. The Grand Coronation Night will be held on June 13, Friday. Same time, same place. Muli, palakpakan po natin sila. The Little Kings and Queens of Margot 2025 is brought to you by the Margot Barangay Council, headed by the Honorable Barangay Captain Dominador Lising Jr. Together with the members of the Barangay Council, Kagawad Aurelia Tayag, Kagawad Flor de Liza Pineda, Kagawad Shine Arenas, Kagawad Estelita Caparas, Kagawad Reggie David, Kagawad Jesusa Bermil, Kagawad Shalito Bautista, Barangay Treasurer Divina Magsino, Barangay Secretary Sharon Apan, in partnership with the Sangguniang Kabataan Council headed by the Honorable SK Chairman Jamel Ezekiel Roque, together with the members of the SK Council. We'd also like to thank Barangay Administrator Jonah Lising, Bookkeeper Rain Ashley Cato, our clerks Joanna Agustin and Lucita Cunanan, choreographer Josel Javier, stage designers Carla Limio and Leo, and all of our barangay workers and volunteers. We would like to thank our sponsors, Congressman-elect the Honorable Carmelo Pogi Lasatin Jr., City Mayor-elect the Honorable Carmelo John Lasatin II, Miss Reyna Manuel, Boss Icy Calaguas, Evac Woodcrafts, Clark APM Resort and Pool Villa Incorporated, Sage by Ardisha, Dante Villas, DDM Hiclucia Trading Corporation, 4DM Private Resort, EN Deca Beauty Salon and Spa, Crystal Craft Bouquet, KD Cafe, Deca Wake Park Clark, HOA Phase 1 to 5, HOA Phase 6, HOA Phase 12, John Homemade Perks, Ellie Cafe, Cuts and Clouds Barber Shop, JBB Construction, JT Lending Corporation, 76 Drops Water Refilling Station, Aqua Mani Water Refilling Station, Universal Testing Laboratory Inspection Incorporated, RB Driving School, SSCC, Z Digital Prints, Red White Store, O Cafe, Jabs Car Wash Auto Detailing, Tara Cafe and Afro Visual Auto Media, RMM Cold Storage, Mr. Emiliano Olalia, Mr. Randy Escario, Miss Marites Garcia Razon, Miss Malene Garcia Santos, Miss Patria Paliorina, Miss Hazel Marsan, Miss Sotera Clark, Miss Lailani May Velarde, Miss Sherry Hipolito, Miss Rosemary Rojas Mine, Miss Rufina Cruz, Mr. Roman David Jr., Michelle Ocampo Valdivieza, May Pasion, Jolina Manalang, Alan Santos, Janela Minimart, and Marvin Baluyo. From the Little Kings and Queens of Margot 2025, maraming salamat po. To give our closing remarks, ladies and gentlemen, before the announcement of winners, let us welcome the Honorable Barangay Kagawad, Estelita Capara.
Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do?
Hello po! Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat, mga Barangay Margot. Siyempre po, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa aming mga events sa almost 4 days or 3 days. Siyempre po, lalong-lalo na po sa mga ating mga bisita, mga honorable judges. Thank you po. Sa lahat po ng mga parents na sumuporta po sa kanilang mga anak na ngayong gabi, ay maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik sa mga events namin dito sa barangay. Sana po nasiyang kayo at welcome po kayo sa aming barangay fiesta. In behalf of our barangay captain, Domindador Leasing, the Barangay Council of the Barangay Margot. Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat and good evening.
Maraming salamat. Again, that's the Honorable Estelita Caparas. Once again, we would like to congratulate the Fiesta Committee Head Organizers. Palakpakan po natin Kagawad Shine Arenas and Kagawad Reggie David.
Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls,
We would also like to acknowledge Kagawad Jesus Bermil, the in charge sa ating peace and order ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po. And congratulations in advance. So at this juncture, may we request our candidates to please come up on stage for the announcement of winners. Habang sineset up po natin ang ating mga candidates, let us have first the announcement of winners sa ating raffle draw. Kagawad
Hello.
Shine.
5. 5 winners ng tag 25 sacks of rice. So, i-claim po after ng pageant, okay? Kung sino po yung candidates na nakasulat, siya po yung mag-claim. Bahala na po kayo mga mamis kung sino yung nakasulat dito. So, tabi ka nga gawad para makita nila. Bubunot ng isa. Kagawad, harap ka doon. Okay, bubunot ng isa. Si Kagawad, ako lang magbabasa. Para mabilis lang po tayo. Okay, first, winner of 25 kilos of rice. Precious Kunanan. Name of candidates, Atara. Okay, 1. Precious Kunanan. Name of candidates, Atara. Metong Kagawad. Okay, second winner. Regina Ahedo. Name of candidates, Miara Sofia Kasem. Si Aliana Kasem. Regina Ahedo. Okay, next. Third winner. Violeta Rolintay. Dao. Name of candidates, Mira Susain. Atwa pa, meron pa. Okay, next winner. JP Kapanay. Name of candidates, Mark Joshua Coronel. Last winner. Ate Sir Josel, pa-move yung konti yung mga candidates kasi wala tayong space para dito sa mga sa mag-award. Last winner. Sino yung nasa likod? SK, pakisuyo. Assist lang mo rin candidates. Di na tayong space ng kengis. Last winner. Lea Garcia. Name of candidates, Alden Kunanan. Okay. I-claim po yung bigas mamaya. Dito lang yung bigas. Kagawad pakis. Okay, thank you. Mag-announce na po tayo ng winner.
Okay. Congratulations sa mga winners. Pasuyo po, paki-move backwards po natin yung mga candidates, no? Dito na lang po ako sa baba. So our presenters will be our SK and Barangay Council. Tapos, pakibigyan po natin ng space yung gitna. Yan. First award, Little King and Queen Punctual. Mr. and Miss Punctualis. King number 6 and Queen number 2. Little Mr. and Miss Congeniality. Our little Mr. and Miss Congeniality is Little King number 4 and Little Queen number 4. Next award, Little Mr. and Miss Charming. Little Mr. and Miss Charming is Little King number 1, Little Queen number 1. Next is our Little Mr. and Miss Popularity. Our little King and Queen Popularity will receive a trophy and 2,000 pesos each. Our Little King and Queen Popularity are Little King number 8 and Little Queen number 6. Next is the People's Choice Award. Our People's Choice Award is Little King number 3 and Little Queen number 10. Our next award would be our Mr. and Miss Sweet Smile. Our little Mr. and Miss Sweet Smile is Little King number 5 and Little Queen number 3. Congratulations to Little King number 5 and Little Queen number 3, the winners for the Sweet Smile Award. Next is the darling of the crowd. Our darling of the crowd is Little King number 2 and Little Queen number 14. Our SK's Choice Award is Little King number 3 and Little Queen number 11. Organizer's Choice Award is Little King number 1 and Little Queen number 7. Our next award, Photographer's Choice Award. Again, we would like to thank our official photographer, Kagawad Reggie David. Our Photographer's Choice Award is Little King number 4 and Little Queen 14. What's the next award? Oh, okay. Yung atin pong photogenic ay si Little King number 7 at saka si Little Queen number 13. Ang ating Photographer's Choice Award is si Little King number 4 and Little Queen number 14. Nagkapalit lang po. Apologies for that. Again, congratulations to our Photographer's Choice Award, Little King number 4 and Little Queen number 14. And ang ating photogenic is Little King number 7 and Little Queen number 13. At bibigyan din po natin ng tigi-tigisang photos in frame ang ating mga kandidata. May we request yung mga handlers ng mga bata, pakikuha na po yung mga awards at saka mga photo frames na hawak po nila. Again, calling sa mga makeup artists and handlers, pakikuha po yung mga hawak po nilang awards. Barangay Council's Choice Award is Little King number 6 and Little Queen number 9. Again, Little King number 6 and Little Queen number 9. Best in Ramp. Our best in ramp is Little King number 5 and Little Queen number 12. Isunod naman po natin ngayon yung ating mga Best in Talent Award na napanood po natin kanina. Our third place for the Best in Talent is Little King number 8 and Little Queen number 8. Our third place for the Best in Talent will receive 1,000 pesos in cash. Presenters on stage, please. Again, our Best in Talent, third place, Little King number 8, Little Queen number 8, and the winners will receive 1,000 pesos each. Our Best in Talent second place is Little King number 3 and Little Queen number 6. Our second place for the best in talent, Little King number 3 and Little Queen number 6 will receive 2,000 pesos each. And the best in talent will receive, Kagawad Shine, the best in talent will receive 3,000 pesos. And the winner is Little King number 7 and Little Queen number 5. Alright, sa mga handlers, pakitanggal po ulit yung mga awards na tatanggap nila for the special awards. Let me take this opportunity to thank and congratulate the parents, the families, the handlers, makeup artists, and managers of these candidates. Maraming salamat po sa support ang inyong ipinakita sa ating mga kandidata ngayong gabi. Our next award would be the Best in Production Number. The winners for the Best in Production Number will receive sash, trophy, and cash worth 500 pesos. Our Best in Production Number is Little King number 3 and Little Queen number 5. Our Best in Casual Wear. Our Best in Casual Wear will receive sash, trophy, and cash worth 500 pesos. Our Best in Casual Wear is Little King number 5. And Little Queen 14. Congratulations! Next award, the Best in Summer Wear. Again, the winners for the Best in Summer Wear will receive sash, trophy, and cash worth 500 pesos. Our Little King Best in Summer Wear is Little King candidate number 7. And Little Queen candidate number 6. And the last award for this set before we announce our winners is the best in formal wear and the best in evening gown. Our best in formal wear is Little King number 3. And Little Queen number 14. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That ends the announcement of winners for our minor awards. Again, just a quick recap. Our best in production number is Little King number 3 and Little Queen number 5. Our best in casual wear is Little King number 5 and Little Queen number 14. Our best in summer wear is Little King number 7 and Little Queen number 6. Our best in formal wear is Little King number 3. And our best in evening gown is Little Queen number 14. So may we request all of the handlers or makeup artists or parents, pakitanggal po muna ulit ang mga awards na nakuha ng ating mga kandidata ngayong gabi. Again, to our candidates, congratulations. Same as with our parents and the families of the candidates, congratulations. And again, maraming salamat po. So at this point, para po anyayahan ang lahat ng ating mga kabarangay sa mga darating na araw na mga events on our Fiesta Celebration. Palakpakan po natin Kagawad Shine Arenas.
Boses. Ala na ang boses. Dakal pong dakal na salamat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Lalo-lalo na po sa mga parents na mga bata. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Successful po yung event natin. Lahat ng pinagpaguran, ng effort, lalo na yung effort ng barangay. Mga staff na nagpagod. Nakakawala ng pagod. Lahat po sila, winner sila. Lalo-lalo na sa kapitan natin na supportive. Ngayon po, yung pinag-usapan natin, i-enjoy lang po ng bata, kung sino yung lumitaw na manalo, bigay po natin yung moment para sa kanya. Importante, lahat sila winners, may crown lahat po sila, at may pera lahat kayo, di ba? Bibigyan ko kayo pera mamaya. Okay. Thank you po. See you po. Bukas po, Miss Gay po tayo. Lahat po ng sasali ng Miss Gay is Battle of the Queens po. by SK Council po yon. Lahat po ng mga candidates, yung makikita nyo po lagi sa, sumasali sa Miss Q&A, mga national pageant na po, magaganda po, susulitin po ng SK yan ng palabas nila bukas. Tapos po, yung pinaka-grandest na event natin is sa mismong piyesta, the Grand Coronation po ng Mutya at Ginoo. Mas pasabog pa po. Basta't po, kung may election man ako, last term ko na, at least may iwan ako ng legacy sa inyo for more than 20 years na ginagawa ka na dito. As long na po na kailangan pa ka ng barangay, dito pa rin po ako. Thank you po. Last po, bukas po ng morning, meron po tayo ng championship ng softball po natin. Diyan lang po sa likod ng court natin. Tapos, may parada po tayo ng fiesta. Marami pa po, mga palarong pambata. By SK po sila. Sila na po lahat. Thank you po.
Thank you very much and congratulations, Kagawad Shine Arenas. Once again, this event is being brought to you by the Barangay Council, headed by the Honorable Barangay Captain Dominador Lising Jr., Kagawad Aurelia Tayag, Kagawad Ferdeliza Pineda, Kagawad Shine Arenas, Kagawad Estelita Caparas, Kagawad Reggie David, Kagawad Jesusa Bermil, Kagawad Shalito Bautista, Barangay Treasurer Divina Magsino, Barangay Secretary Sharon Apan in partnership with the SK Council headed by the Honorable SK Chairman Jamel Ezekiel Rilke. Together with the members of the SK Council, SK Kagawad Kayla Bartolo, SK Kagawad Roshain Kunanan, SK Kagawad Jillian Ashley Santos, SK Kagawad Erica Kane Pineda, SK Kagawad Raniel Bautista, SK Kagawad Edmar Manalang, and SK Kagawad Army Ronquillo, SK Treasurer Rusley Cholo Santos, SK Secretary Nadine Dakara, and SK Advisor Kim Su Taya. We'd like to thank our official designer for the photo shoot, Miss Iwamoto. Our barangay administrator, Jonah Lise. Our bookkeeper, Rain Ashley Cato. Our clerks, Joanne Agustin and Lucita Cunanan. Our choreographer, Josel Javier. Stage designer, Carla Limio and Leo. Our barangay workers, barangay volunteers, our Bantay Bayan. Maraming salamat po. So at this juncture, let us request our candidates to please proceed to the backstage for our last look. Once again, let us have our last look for this year's Little King and Queens of Margot 2025. Once again, may we request all of our candidates to please proceed to the backstage for our last law. Lights off, please.
Sa lahat po ng mga mamis, yung mga babies nyo po nasa likod, no? Huwag nyo na po silang ilalabas. So, pag mag-a-announce po tayo ng winner, halimbawa po, yung sa, alam nyo naman po yung pinag-usapan natin about sa winners, unang tatawagin yung prince. Yung tatlong prince po, pag tinawag yung number ng anak nyo, doon na lang po dadalhin sa stage. Tapos po, pag sa final na dalawa po, doon na lang natin papupuntahin sa harap po, no? Para hindi na po sila mapagod. Ngayon po, kung yung mga bata hindi ayaw na, wag po natin ipilit. Kunin na lang po yung crown nila. No? Thank you po.
Ladies and gentlemen, our three little prince. Please claim your crowns on stage. Little Prince. Number 1. Little Prince. Number 6. And Little Prince. Number 4. After our three little prince, we now proceed with our 9 little princesses. Little Princess number 1. Little Princess number 3. Little Princess number 2. Little Princess number 9. Little Princess number 7. Little Princess number 12. Little Princess number 4. Little Princess number 8. And Little Princess number 13. Congratulations to our 9 little princesses. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan naman po natin sila. Thank you and congratulations to our 9 little princesses. You may now proceed at the back. Little King and Queen 2025 fourth runner-up. Palabasin po natin ang ating 5 kings for the announcement of winners. Unahin po muna natin ang announcement of winners sa ating Little Kings. So may we request ang ating 5 natitirang Little Kings to please come up on stage for the announcement of winners. Move backwards po sila. Backwards please. Backwards please. Our little king, 4th runner-up, will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers, trophy, crown, and cash worth 2,000 pesos. Our 4th runner-up, Little King, number 2. Little King, 3rd runner-up, will receive sash, flowers, trophies, crowns, and cash worth 3,000 pesos. Our 3rd runner-up is Little King. Little King number 8. Little King, second runner-up, will receive sash, flowers, trophies, crown, and cash worth 5,000 pesos. Our second runner-up is Little King. Little King number 5. Dalawa na lang po ang natitira. Ang isa sa kanila ang magiging first runner-up at ang isa sa kanila ang magiging pinakabagong title holder. Our first runner-up will receive sash, flowers, trophies, crown, and cash worth 7,000 pesos and a gift pack from Cuts and Clouds. While the grand winner will receive sash, flowers, trophy, crown, and cash worth 10,000 pesos. Ang numerong tatawagin ko will be the first runner-up. Ang numerong hindi matatawag will be the grand winner. Uulitin ko po. Ang numerong tatawagin ko will be the first runner-up. Ang numerong hindi matatawag will be the grand winner. Ang numerong tatawagin natin ang mag-move forward, while ang numerong hindi matatawag will be moving backwards. Our first runner-up is Little King candidate number 3. Congratulations to the winners for the Little King Margot 2025. We will be pausing the awarding of our Little King for a while as we now welcome on stage our Little Queen's top 5. Sa mga winners, move backwards muna tayo. So, move backwards lang. Thank you. So may we request ang ating top 5 to please come up on stage. Our Little Queen, 4th runner-up. Top 5, please move backwards. Fourth runner-up is Little Miss, candidate number 10. Our fourth runner-up will receive sash, flowers, trophies, crown, and cash worth 2,000 pesos. Little Queen, third runner-up. Number 11. Our third runner-up will receive sash, flowers, trophy, crown, and cash worth 3,000 pesos. Our next announcement for winners is our Little Queen second runner-up. Our second runner-up will receive sash, flowers, trophy, crown, and cash worth 5,000 pesos. Little Queen second runner-up. Candidate number 14. Dalawa na lang ang natitira, ang isa sa kanila ang ating first runner-up at ang isa naman ay ang ating grand winner. Kagaya ng ginawa natin with our Little Kings, ang numerong tatawagin natin will be our first runner-up at ang numerong hindi matatawag will be our grand winner. Ang numerong ating tatawagin will move forward while yung numerong hindi matatawag will move backwards. Our first runner-up will receive sash, flowers, trophies, crown, and 7,000 pesos worth of cash, while the grand winner will receive sash, flowers, trophies, crowns, and 10,000 pesos in cash. Our Little Queen first runner-up is Little Queen candidate Little Queen number 6. Ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Margot, I now give you your newest Little King and Queen, Little King candidate number 7, and Little Queen candidate number 5. gentlemen, I now give you your new sets of little kings and queens. And that concludes our program for tonight. Congratulations to our winners and happy Fiesta Barangay Margot!
Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Oh, come on, girl. Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Oh, come on, girl.
Congratulations po! Ngayon po, last announcement. After the po din pa, kayo po sabi-sabi mag-picture na. Pwede na kayo po mag-picture basta mo sabi-sabi po malagpak yan Liwasan. After